Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. In this video, we will be talking about 4 small cap stocks from Infosys co-founder Narayan Murthy's Catamaran Advisors portfolio as per the latest March quarter shareholding pattern. Now, most of us know Narayan Murthy as only the co-founder of Infosys, but he is also a very acclaimed investor and he has had a lot of successes in the Indian stock market. Friends, if you have not already become members on our channel, please click on the blue join button below and follow the steps. This will entitle you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Also, if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more. Now, the first stock on the list is Vesuvius India Limited, which is available at rupees 1148.40 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Narayan Murthy's fund here stands at 3.83%. The symbol for it is VESUVIUS. Now, Vesuvius India Limited is engaged in the manufacturing and trading of refractory goods. The company operates in the segment of manufacturing, trading and sale of refractories. The company provides services in relation to refractory goods and has operations in India and caters to both the domestic and international markets. The company has approximately 4 factories, one each at Kolkata, Mehsana and 2 at Visakhapatnam and 1 manufacturing arrangement at Salem. Now, looking at the 1-year chart, this company has not really done much and has been a slow underperformer. The company has a market capitalization of 2,330.80 crores, which means that this company is a small cap one. The EPS of 44.33 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 25.91, which is slightly less expensive when compared with the industry PE of 29.14. The price to book ratio of 3.16 is also not widely expensive. The company has a dividend yield of 0.61%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is slightly above average and stands at 55.57%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now, the second stock on the list is Nesco Limited, which is available at rupees 493.35 and the face value for it is 2. The holding for Catamaran Advisors in this particular company now stands at an increased level of 1.08%. The symbol for it is NESCO. Its segments include Nesco IT Park, Bombay Exhibition Centre, Integrator and investment and other incomes. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 3,476.14 crores. The EPS of 24.19 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 20.39, which is dirt cheap when compared with the industry PE of 31.47. The price to book ratio of 3.47 is also not widely expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0150, whereas the return on equity for this stock is a very strong number and stands at 0.2228. The dividend yield is 0.47%, whereas the promoter holding is a very strong number and stands at 68.20%. Also, none of the promoters holding for this company is pledged. Now, the third company on the list and the one where he has reduced his holding in the March quarter is Ambika Cotton Mills Limited. The symbol for it is AMBIKCO. The price for it is 1124.45 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Narayan Murthy's fund in this particular company stands at 2.26%. Now, Ambika Cotton Mills Limited is an India-based company engaged in the manufacturing and selling of specialty cotton yarn. The company operates through 2 segments, which are textiles and windmills. Its geographical segments include Europe, Asia, others and India. The company manufactures compact and elite waste cotton yarn for hosiery and weaving. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company has been on a consistent downtrend for the entire year and a lot of wealth has been eroded here. The company is a small cap with a market capitalization of 643.75 crores. The EPS of 115.06 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 9.77 when compared with the industry PE of 11.20. The price to book ratio of 1.50 is also on the cheaper side. The company has a very strong dividend yield of 3.11%, whereas the promoter holding for this company is just about average at 50%. Also, none of the promoters holding is pledged. Now, the final stock on the list is Garware Technical Fibre Limited, which is available at rupees 1050.15 and the face value for it is 10. The holding for Narayan Murthy's Catamaran Advisors in this particular company stands at 2.46% and has been stable over the last quarter. The symbol for it is GARFIBRES. Now, Garware Technical Fibers Limited, formerly Garware Wall Ropes Limited, is an India-based technical textiles company. The company provides solutions in aquaculture cage nets, fishing nets, sport nets, safety nets, agricultural nets, coated fabrics, polymer ropes, and geosynthetics. Now, as is evident from the 1-year chart, this company was on an uptrend for the first few months of the year, but the uptrend fizzled out after that. The company has a market capitalization of 2,297.94 crores, which means that this company is also a small cap one. The EPS of 54.09 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 19.41, which is slightly cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 21.11. The price to book ratio of 4.29, however, is a bit on the high side. The company has a dividend yield of 0.43%, whereas the promoter holding for this stock is just about average at 50.70%. Also, none of the promoters' holding is placed. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Also, if you like the content that we produce on our channel, please don't forget to like these videos, share these videos, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.